Hello guys, this is Progressive speaking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will quickly share with you the settings because most of you have asked me how do you do the settings, and then I need to see how to add the particular line I used to show you in most of my analysis that indicates where the market begins for the day, closes for the next day, the same day, the next day, and so on. Then and of course how to do other settings like the way I have it in my chart. So how to put the background. You come to this place where you have three lines at the left edge of the phone, where you have the Mt4 logo. So once you download it from Play Store or either with your broker's site, you click it. After installation, click settings. In this place, you scroll down, select colors, then under here you select grid, then check the grid to white. Then it is mostly for absolute beginners and those who are already trading but don't know how to do the settings. So here back up, I used to change mine to green. You can use any color of your choice, depending on what you want to see, or you do some practice to see how it's going to look. Then bar down, I select red, and bull candle, I select green. Bear candle, I select the same color. So every other time I used to leave it the way it is. Now in order to add the line, just in case if yours is not active, what you do is scroll down under this OH, the under chart where you see line type, OHLC, data windows, show volumes, show trade levels, independent charts, show period separators. That is what you are looking for, the show period separators. So under the show period separators, if it is not active like this, you see how it marked good. If it is blank like this, you select it in order to see that line show in your chart. So you can see how it looks. So this line here, this line you are seeing, this very line indicates where the market closed for the previous day and opens the next day. So you see where it closed the previous day, opened the next day, and closed the same day, opened it like that. So if you go to 4 hours candlestick, it is also showing where the week, the candle or the price of the market closed the previous day, opened the next week, then closed the previous the same day, opened the next day like that. The previous week or the same week, open the next week like that. That's how it, as you can see in this place, this is where the market's price closed for the week. So don't mind the line you are seeing here. By Monday next week now, this line will adjust to this place. So that's why most of the times they say everything about Forex indicators lags. So that is how it was. Then in this place, if you go to daily, so it used to in this place indicate where the market opens for the month, because if you count these candlesticks, they are 30 in number. So it indicates where the market opened for the close for the previous month, opened the new month like that, the previous month, the new month like that. So as you can see in this place, the month is still left with some days. So, but due to the fact that today is weekend, and of course you can see the date is 28 as well, which means this is the last candle probably, or maybe on Monday or Tuesday. On Monday, yeah, or Tuesday will be the last day of the month of November. So that is the few candles you see left here, which is still open, and the month, this particular month will end. Then likewise the same way in this place, this is the where the candle closed for the previous year and open the new year, close the previous year, open the new year like that. As you can see, the line is like that, so it doesn't change or either adjust. So wherever you see it, that is where the market closed under weekly for the previous week. And I will show you the secret about this trading with this line. I will show you the secret, especially for long-term traders. Why you see most people make entries, why most people make entries and leave it throughout the year, throughout the month, throughout the day. So it depending, most of them have studied this line and know what it's all about and how it is applied in the market. So same way is applicable to the monetary platform. So as you can see, this is the first candle, for instance, the second candle, third candle, fourth candle, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th, which means every candle that you see that which appeared here appeared for the month. For the month. And each of these candlesticks controls the market for throughout that month. It means again that all these candlesticks you see here can only appear in each of these lines for 1 year, period of 1 year, which means 12 candlesticks will appear. And these 12 candlesticks will control the market throughout the year. So now I will show you the secret and how to use these lines properly and why people make money with it or trade very wisely. So especially those who knew how to use highest high and lowest lows. So in the next video, I will explain to you how to use it, and of course how to also apply some certain settings in order to indicate it so easily and get prepared for the next year trading. So as you can see here, I am anticipating that Nasdaq will fall like hell next year, but that's by the way. I will show you what to do in the next video. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you turn on the notification button in order to get notified whenever I drop any video. See you in the next video.